Good morning, my dear students and lovers of biology. This is your 13th session in the series of virtual class of class 9. Today, I discuss a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So, what is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum? Here also you know that. What is the function of a smooth endoplasmic reticulum? How endoplasmic reticulum work and so on. First of all, you know that a smooth endoplasmic reticulum help in manufacturing of fats and lipid molecule. Help in manufacturing of fats and lipid molecule. Function of enzyme and hormones help in detoxifying many poisonous and drugs. Here's some points about a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. What is the function of a smooth endoplasmic reticulum? How a smooth endoplasmic reticulum works? First of all, in a living cell, a smooth endoplasmic reticulum manufactures proteins and lipid molecules. Within a cell, a smooth endoplasmic reticulum manufactures fats and lipid molecules. Within a cell, hormonal activity and enzymatic activity, both of them become function with the help of a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And third thing, in any detoxifying, in any poisonous substance that is present within a cell, that detoxify with the help of a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. My dear, you must be read NCERT book after the attending this lecture, and you clear each and every line according to NCERT. You write now. Now important question is bio या फिर कहें उसको मेम्ब्रेन बायोजेनेसिस. मेम्ब्रेन biogenesis. This is your important question, right? What is membrane biogenesis? So, some of these lipids and protein help in building the सेल मेम्ब्रेन या फिर प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. Just some of these lipids in protein help in building the cell membrane. These are known as membrane biogenesis. Membrane biogenesis. You know that in rough smooth endoplasmic reticulum, some of fats and lipids become formed, and in rough endoplasmic reticulum, proteins become formed. These protein and lipids, both of them help in building the cell membrane. What cell membrane? You know that cell have outer covering, that is called cell membrane, plasma membrane, etc. That membrane is made with the help of these lipids and molecules formed within a smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. These process is known as, with the help of endoplasmic reticulum, are known as membrane biogenesis. What known as membrane biogenesis? You write now, and in last thing I discuss you what is the function of endoplasmic reticulum. Function. It act as channel. It act as channel for the transmission of material. It acts as channel for the transmission of material like protein, between the cytoplasm and nucleoplasm. Right, the function of endoplasmic reticulum is just like a channel. So a channel work as transmission of various protein and lipid from cytoplasm to nucleoplasm. Thanks. I'll meet you in next session on the two topic, topographical sketch of plant cell and topographical sketch of nucleus. Today, this is a last videos, last session, and this is your last topic of class 9 NCERT books, Fundamental Units of Life. You must be do each question under NCERT book. Thanks.